The Sisters of Perpetual Flatulence present the Sister Pat McGroen Show, brought to you by Father, Son, and Holy Spirit Movers, where all our moves are heavenly, local, and nationwide. And now, the star of our show, Sister Pat McGroen.
Hello and blessed day. I'm Sister Pat McGroen, and I'm here to save you from boarding Satan's boxcar to hell. In today's segment of Did You Know?, we're going to talk about a secret device in your car that'll keep you out of Satan's clutches. So lean in close, my little bink weasels. And as the young people say, I'm gonna break it down for you and tell you something that'll keep your keister out of Satan's hot tub. Now, not many people know this, but your car has a secret device in it called an indicator. If you look at your steering column, you'll see a secret stick, which, when activated, will operate a flashing light outside your car. Now, this flashing light tells other drivers which direction you're planning on going. So, my little bink weasels, use that secret device and keep Satan from poking you in the backside with his sharp, pointy fork. Well, that's it for today's show. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit Movers, where all our moves are heavenly, local, and nationwide. I'm Sister Pat McGroen, wishing you a blessed day. And don't forget, my little bink weasels, use that secret device and keep Satan from boarding you into his boxcar from hell. Blessed day.
Sister Pat McGroen Show is brought to you by Father, Son, and Holy Spirit Movers, where all our moves are heavenly, local, and nationwide. This has been a Sisters of Perpetual Flatulence production.